Well, here we are. Another chase in the same week. Today, I don't even know what day it is. What day is it?
Friday.
It's Friday.
I don't even have a watch on.
Don't even know the date, but it's close enough. It's Friday.
6th, I think.
June 6th. Yeah, it is the 6th, I think. Friday, June 6th. We're in the town of Alexandria. Sorry about the bumps. They don't do well with the town. This thing you're looking at coming at us has been associated so far with 70-plus mile-an-hour winds, large hail, and probably some wind damage. Don't know as of yet because everybody's still trying to figure out what just ran over them. Anyway, this storm's moving at better than 60 miles an hour, and we're going to drive and get in a good position and let it run us over. So, hopefully, with any luck, like we've been having here lately, this guy won't hit me in the behind here, and we'll get another good storm to put on Storm Cube. Anyway, here we go. Headed through Alexandria.
Yeah, I know that coming right at us here.
I know the speed limit says 35, but 50 sounds better to me. Gotta go, gotta go.
Shelf cloud inside.
Got some lowerings on the shelf cloud. Looks like, I'm not sure. It looks like parakeet.
Oh my Lord.
This is crazy looking.
Yes, it is.
And I'm trying to keep the camera still so I can get good shots of this because this is nuts. Woo, look at that.
Wow.
Good shelf cloud. Man, that's low. Man, that's real low. We're going to get a gustinator out of this. Watch.
Go.
Okay, now I'm going to be filming across my body. This ought to be fun. How far am I going?
Just find a good clear spot.
Good clear spot, gotcha.
Just to get off the highway.
Off the highway, gotcha. I can't really tell. I'm going to head back. I'm going to go that way. We're going to find a clear spot and get set up on this fast. Because this is huge.
The trees ahead. Hell, this might work right here.
That's what I'm thinking. This does work. I got a funnel right there. Got a big rotation right there. I'm getting it. Whole buttload of rotation right there.
Oh, look at this motion. Those curlicues kind of stuff on it. Right there.
Here comes the cold outflow. I can't zoom back anymore. Here it comes.
Rotation almost overhead.
Yeah, I've got it.
There's nothing really staying looking at it though. Passing almost directly overhead now.
I'm getting this thing coming across us over here. Hello. Birds are flying. Right there. Gustnado in the field. I've got it. We're gonna get hit by a gustnado.
Severe damage to the barn.
What went?
Trees gone, barn damaged.
You got it on tape?
Jeez!
Can't
It's
see.
slow, but it's wind driven, damn that.
Can't see. Glasses are shot.
I can't see a thing. I'm just filming. Debris behind us.
In the air? Debris in the air, Stone! Get in! Get in! Debris in the air!
Tree debris flying.
Debris in the air, and it ain't coming down. It's going up. We're inside another one. God damn it, Stone! Tree going across the field. We're in a goddamn another tornado. Where in the hell is it?
I don't see any rotation up there.
It's got to be there, Stone. I just watched that spin out of the top of that tree. It spun out. I got it on film spinning out.
I don't know. I can't see shit through my glasses.
I done took mine off.
Well, I can't see shit without them.
We still got tree debris in the air.
That guy took damage to his barn.
Bad.
I can't tell. I know there were pieces flying. 70, 75.
Golly.
Tree debris flying again. Jeez, what a storm.
If this is going to hit grandma's, I got a warning her. Severe thunderstorm warning, Delaware Randolph. We need to let them know.
My phone don't work from here. At least it wasn't.
I hope they take shelter, Mike.
Oh, baby. Okay, I've got a little signal.
If this hits Muncie as bad as it just hit here, there's going to be a lot of damage. Of course, we're in an open area.
Yeah.
It may be a little worse here than it would be in town, but shit, this could very easily kill somebody, I'm telling you. Tree land on a house, or who knows what, land on a car. Power lines down in the road.
Somebody's going to drive right through here.
That must be the power flash I saw. Tree down across the power lines. We may be on them already and not know it. Nope, they're right there. Right there's the end of it.
I'm stopping right here.
Power lines over the road. Pole is snapped off at the ground.
That's being held up by a wing and a prayer here.
Yeah, the lines themselves are the only thing holding that pole up.
Yeah, I need to get somebody.